it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something simple and do a drawstring ponytail. I flared my hair like a week ago and it pretty much rained every day since then, so my hair has poofed back up, but I wanted to try a slick ponytail while my hair is still somewhat straight. So let's just get started. I'm going to use some Eco Styler gel, the argan oil type, with a regular old hairbrush to get my hair up. Alright, so now that that's done, I'm just going to put my hair into a little bun. So I'm going to use the Style Factor Edge Booster to slick my edges and get some of these little fuzzies I got to lay down. The ponytail I'm using is by Equal. It's 18 inches and I got it from my local beauty supply store for $15. So this is my first time using a drawstring ponytail, but it's pretty foolproof. So take the little combs and attach it at the base of the bun, and then we're just gonna pull the drawstring and tighten it around our bun. Not too tight because I ended up giving myself a headache later in the day, but tight enough that nobody can snatch your pony. And then once I get that tightened how I like, I'm going to bobby pin the drawstring down. Taking a small piece from the back, I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail to try to hide those imperfections. So the Style Factor was doing absolutely nothing for my hair, so I went back over my edges with some Gorilla Snot. And I tied my hair down for about 10 minutes just so everything could lay down. And now we have a cute hairstyle for just $15. Like this video, chat with me in the comment section, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.